This spacious, Craftsman-style home is move-in ready and located in a highly sought-after South Bull Mountain neighborhood. It's an ideal location with parks, a golf course, schools, and shopping nearby, including the popular Progress Ridge. This home of more than 3,000 square feet has lots of room for everyone, with a light and bright interior and an open floor plan. The family room features gorgeous built-ins and a cozy gas fireplace. It opens to the kitchen featuring breakfast bar seating, stainless steel appliances including a refrigerator, gas cooktop, wall oven and microwave, as well as a butler's pantry and walk-in pantry. You'll also find a convenient space that could be used as an office or den, and a powder room. Upstairs, double doors open to the generous vaulted primary suite. It includes a dual sink vanity, large shower, soaking tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. A bonus loft area is perfect for a play area, hobby, or exercise room, any number of uses. Down the hall, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, newer interior paint, newer carpet, an office nook, another full bath, and an upstairs laundry room. Outside, entertain or just relax on the large deck overlooking the fully fenced backyard. The 2-car garage offers ample storage space. You'll also enjoy the comfort of a gas furnace and air conditioning throughout the home. Come see the style and functionality of this beautiful home in South Bull Mountain. It's all here on Raphael Lane and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.